Hey guys, today's wig is being sponsored by OMG Her Hair. This is their Brazilian Kinky Curly Wig. This is a 360 lace frontal wig. The density on this wig is 150%. This is a 14-inch lace frontal wig that comes with a pre-plucked hairline. So let's take a look at this kinky curly hair texture. Now with this 360 wig, you do get 4 inches of parting space in the front. This wig does come with combs. It comes with 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the back. And of course it has the elastic straps in the back. So it's pretty much your standard lace frontal wig. So as you can see, the parting space is pretty good on this wig. But I want you guys to kind of look at this texture. This is not your average looking curly texture that you would normally see here on my channel. It's definitely like a braid out texture going on here. I honestly have never gotten a curly wig like this with this type of texture. Kind of reminds me of like some wet and wavy hair that I have tried like 10 years ago. So I'm just going to put the wig on and add some water to it, and hopefully it gives me some curls, okay? So let's try it. Oh girl, this wig. Whoo child. The mess it is. Let me hurry up and put some water on this because this texture right here is just so not doing it for me right now. So I'm going to take a spray bottle that only has water in it right now because I want to see actually how this hair is going to curl, which is only using water. And I am running my fingers through the hair, and I am getting a couple strands of hair. Not too much, but I am getting, you know, a few strands. Wow, I am really surprised to see this hair actually curl up. It's really putting me in the mind of some hair that I used to wear like back in the day, like probably about 10 years ago. I used to get hair from the beauty supply store. I want to say it was maybe model, and the hair used to come in this exact texture, kind of like a braid out texture, and then when you would wet it, you would get like this curly texture right here. So as you can see, the hair definitely curls when you apply water. So this is what it looks like when the hair is completely wet. Very pretty curly wig. I wish it would just come like this from the get-go, but apparently it doesn't. So this is what it's going to look like after you apply just water only. So now that I see how the wig looks with just using only water, I'm going to go in and add some curly hair products to this wig just to see if the curls are going to get a little bit more defined. Now I've been loving the curly Tresemme product line, so I'm going to use this curly hair mousse to define the curls a little bit more. Then once I'm done applying the mousse, I'm going to go in with the Tresemme holding spray for curls, and this just actually helps with giving your curls a little bit more definition, and is also going to help with making the curls stay in place. This is not any type of holding spray, but it's just like a curl refreshener basically, and I really do like this. I actually use this on my natural hair as well, and I'm going to take a towel and kind of scrunch the hair, which I wish that I didn't do in this video because I did not like how the curls looked after I scrunched my hair. So anyways, I feel like baby hairs is a must with curly hair, and I'm going to add a headband to this wig just to give it a different look. I feel like this wig is really good for someone who is going for a natural curly. look and does not want super big curly hair. And even though the density on this wig is 150%, you definitely do not see that thickness in this wig. And given that this is a kinky wig, I don't see that kinky texture in this wig. Now, I definitely see it in the beginning before applying any type of water or product, but once you apply water or product, that kinky texture kind of disappears and you don't see that, but it definitely gives you a natural curly look once you do apply water or product to this hair. So this is pretty much the final look. As you can see, it's a very natural, fun look. If you decide to purchase this wig from OMG Her Hair, of course, all purchasing information will be below. Make sure you check out that description bar before you do any purchasing, because more than likely there is some coupon codes in there for you to save yourself some money. If you purchase this wig, definitely come back on this video and let us know what your experience was, if you love the wig, if you hate it. And of course, if you love this video, thumbs it up, share it, and comment. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you become a subscriber so you are aware every time a new video is posted. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.